picture. So Alex, can we have the podium off again? Thumbs up, Kim. Thank you.
Tuliweza compete kwa Rally Sweden na tukafanya vizuri. Kwanza tukakuwa the first African ambaye ameenda huko Sweden na akashindana kwa hilo mbio za magari, na tukaweza kumaliza vizuri, na tunataka tu kuendelea tu na hiyo trajectory, kuendelea tu hivyo hivyo na huo mwenendo ndio tuweze kuendelea tu.
This is a very special moment, and I'm here as a parent. I'm not here as the chairman of the Kenya Motorsports Federation. I'm not here as the CEO of the Safari Rally. I'm really here as a parent. Let me just say something about corporate partnership in sports. And this is a very special, partnership. LG with SJAK. Some of the people who are behind SJAK are my very old friends. They used to cover me during my A days.
As SJAK, we are grateful to LG for this partnership, for believing in our dream, and for allowing us to dream together and be on this journey.